So this is the Modular House number 1, and this is Modular House number 2. I will need them both in this video, but this video is about the extensions, because having a house like this one, okay, that's nice, but what about adding some extra flavor to the build? Now, I told it many times before, with this house, Modular House number 1, you will already get 2 extensions, the corner extension and the little room extension. And yes, they fit not everywhere, but almost everywhere, as you can see. So the look now is totally different than what you've seen previously. So with these 2 extensions, I can already do some fun stuff. And every time the house looks a little bit different. Well, it doesn't stop there. And by the way, you now see a Victorian style, where here we have a fantasy style, and there are 2 other styles. And yes, you can combine not only the houses, but also the extensions with all these types of houses. Extension number 3 is the stairway. And the stairway actually comes with 2 separate entrance doors or exit doors. So I can, for instance, I can put the stairway over here, and you see a little window, but I can block the window off, and now we have a door, and maybe here at the side as well. So here we have a house with 3 extensions, which again looks really, really nice. So on to the 4th extension, and that's the gate bridge large door extension. And as you can see, it has a walkway, and we can place it, for instance, over here. And this actually gives me the option to connect with something else. Now, this something for now is another house. Mind you, I say for now. So putting this all back more or less in position, here we have 2 houses combined, and now I'm forming some kind of maybe a courtyard or of some sort, which looks really cool. So this is the 4th extension, and the 5th extension is more or less the same, because it's this extension. It's a very open structure. I call it the skinny bridge, because it's actually a bridge with some supports and not a bridge gate house like the one you see here. But if I would change this one, you see I now have a connection, the same, but it's way more open. I have a nice open room for maneuvering whatever I want to maneuver, right? So, okay, so that's number 5, I guess. Good. On to number 6, and that's a fun one, if you don't mind. Very handy, but for now, for this layout, I like this one better. And the next one is one of my favorites. It's called the Façade extension. So I here have a small 3-story high extension that I can put in front of my build. And then it looks something like this, which I think looks really, really nice. And yes, I can actually put in a door here, or maybe I can put the stairway or the bridge in front of it, but a really, really nice extension. On to the 7th one, and actually that's a one that I can combine with this one. Let me show you the options, and for this I will actually remove everything for now. So here we have the house, and here I have these two extensions, and these can actually be at random corner-like extensions, but they are designed for being combined with this one. Let me show you. Extension number 1 and number 2. And I will put this one in front. And now I have a very wide facade, as you can see. I have to see it myself. Oh, that looks really, really nice. And since I have flat sides, I can now, for instance, add the bridge over here. The stairway over here, etc., etc. So that is also a very, very nice extension. You can use them separately, but most importantly, they can combine. There's something not standing. Oh, thank you, Ruben. It was. Now it's good, right? Now it's okay. Great. Okay. And then there is a final extension, and that's number 8. It's not the final one in my head. I made it recently. I'm absolutely not 100% certain that I will, use it or will produce it. We'll see. I will remove every extension for now. But that's again, this is the bridge gate bridge, but here we have the bridge house. So now I have a, it looks massive. I think it's, from this, that really does look cool. But yeah, I have to get used to it. Okay, so in all, here we have the presentation of some of all extensions that are available or will be available. Yeah, and the journey goes on. A lot more ideas are there. A lack of time is also there. So, but I hope you like them. You know, we have the do-it-yourself, cut-it-yourself video of the Modular House 1 and 2. And I will do the same with all the extensions you've just seen. So you can actually decide not go for the full building kit, but could go for the kit with all the wood and cardboard, and then you can cut the foam yourself. But that's something for later. I simply wanted to show you all the extensions and what you can do with it. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.